Halo, selamat malam semuanya.
So many
Hai.
friends like me, sending you tons of positive energy, both you and your family. So relax into this. You're going to be protected and held through the surgery. You do not need to respond. I love you. That was nice. That's really nice. And then I sent him another short one, sending you a big hug and lots of loving energy. I saw this and thought of you. It's a meme of somebody recovering from back surgery who's doing all these backflips. It's really hilarious, like meme. And I'm like, please don't laugh too hard. You're supposed to be recovering. Again, short note made all the difference. He sent me a beautiful voice memo back after he was out of the hospital. And I'm telling you this because you stop and think, okay, should I send this? Should I not send this? Is it okay to send this now? It's always okay.
Halo, kedengeran tes tes?
Show that receiving a short note, see, I should
Kedengeran, Kak.
Kedengeran ya? Oke, sebentar.
tell you because
Kita mulai aja ya.
they know that about them. Every time an old friend texts you, it's like, oh my gosh, I just saw this thought again. Help you with some positivity? Of course you do. And you and I sit there and think, oh, it's not going to make a difference. Oh, I'll do it later. It's not going to be awkward. You're not going to say the wrong thing. The research is so cool here about this tiny fix. If you're thinking of a person, reach out. If they're going through something, show up. Showing up. Why?
Yuk, kita nyalain kameranya yuk. Coba nyalain kameranya ya. Berarti siapa yang belum join? Ayo dinyalain kameranya. Fatia, Andi, Caitlin. Nyalain kameranya semuanya. Kadang mau foto dulu. Berarti sebentar ya. Ya, berarti yang belum join itu ada siapa? Andi udah, Meta Jennifer belum ya? Nathan udah, Fatia, Fatia udah, Caitlin udah, Alvin udah, Andi Ari udah, cek 5 ya. Ya, ada coba cek dulu satu-satu ya, siapa yang belum join. Alvin nyalain kameranya Alvin. Ini gak ada respon. Sudah bisa join ke Zoom, nggak pernah. Nah, pada coba telepon dulu ya dua temannya. Sebentar. Halo, selamat malam, Peren. Sudah bisa join ke Zoom ya?
Ya, oh iya iya baik.
Iya, terima kasih. Mari. Bentar ya.
Actively and constructively when someone shares.
Oke, sip. Kita mulai aja. Jadi hari ini kita akan masuk ke dalam kelas ekstra. Selamat malam semuanya. Kelas ekstra itu adalah kelas tambahan di mana waktu itu kalian gak hadir di kelas reguler. Dan untuk kelas hari ini tutorial akan sama Kak Daud. Ya nanti kalau ada pertanyaan bisa langsung tanya ke Kak Daud aja. Ya, dan untuk pelajarannya adalah game design atau Roblox Studio. Ntar kita akan praktek, fokusnya ke praktek ya, yang waktu itu kalian belum kerjain. Nah, untuk kelas hari ini gabungan dari beberapa kelas lainnya. Jadi yang ketinggalan semuanya bareng-bareng dari lesson 25, 26, sama 27. Nanti materinya Kak Daud sampaikan secara ringkas, kemudian kita fokus ngerjain latihan bareng-bareng. Misal, Kak aku udah pernah ngebuat ini, nggak apa-apa langsung dibuat lagi aja. Ya, jadi nanti kalian bisa buat lagi. Misalnya kalian udah pernah buat, nggak apa-apa, belajar ulang lagi. Oke? Sip, sebelum kelasnya dimulai ada pertanyaan dulu. Nggak ada ya. Kalau nggak ada, kita foto dulu bentar ya. Kita coba screenshot dalam hitungan 3, 2, 1. Oke.
Understanding that other people's wins are not your losses. And in fact, want to be the kind of person that cheers loudly for other people's wins. Because the more you cheer for others,
Sip. Nah, jadi kita akan mulai aja. Kalau coba share screen dahulu. Pelajarannya itu 25, 26, 27 berarti tentang
subject to stay quiet, it can hurt the relationship. Why? Because silence in response to someone else's engagement, pregnancy announcement, or the fact that they met someone amazing, or they got a new job, or they finally were able to buy the car of their dreams. You know what that feels like when you're silent? Disinterest. Or worse, disapproval. And you probably felt that when you had something great going on and then nobody's like celebrating authentically with you, and you're like, okay, wait a minute. Am I sounding like I'm bragging? Do they not care? Do we not deserve this? Are they jealous? And this isn't just a near.
Halo, ini siapa nih? Ataya Pisha.
Studies on this comes from psychologist Dr. Shelley.
Ataya ya. Halo Ataya.
Halo.
Sip, kita mulai aja ya. Jadi pelajarannya itu 25, 26, 27. Berarti di pelajaran 25, 26, 27 kalian akan coba membuat yang namanya apa? Mobil ya. Kalian akan membuat mobil dan kita akan coba membuat pertama adalah yang namanya simulator. Nah, simulator itu kalian nanti akan coba membuat di mana ada tombol mobil spawner gitu ya. Kalian bakal nge-spawn mobil. Kayak jadi nanti ketika kalian klik tombolnya maka mobil akan terspawn gitu. Oke? Kita akan ngebikin spawn mobil ya untuk yang di nomor 25 ya. Nah, nomor 26 kita nanti akan ngebikin peta ya, peta untuk balapan mobilnya. Jadi nanti kita akan membuat ada timer, garis start sama garis finish ya. Nanti akan muncul timernya berapa lama kalian mengendarai mobil dan yang ke-28 adalah membuat mobil kalian sendiri. Nah, yang ini kayaknya akan ada nggak ya 28? Eh, sorry bukan 28. Bentar. Eh,
Celebrate everybody else's wins like it's yours. sister gets pregnant before you do, be the first one.
Oh, 27 ya, sorry, sorry. 27 itu kalian akan membuat mobil kalian sendiri ya. Nanti Kak Dota akan coba tunjukin gimana cara membuat mobilnya. Cuman kadang yang ini tuh banyak banget stepnya dan jadinya agak error. Ntar Kak Dota akan coba jaga-jaga untuk ngasih projectnya aja. Oke, 27 ada sih. Ini ada Ataya ya 27. Oke, itu aja berarti ada pertanyaan dulu sebelum kita mulai.
Pak,
Ya,
nanti kalau yang udah itu apa, udah ngerjain itu semuanya kecuali yang 8 kayak aku itu tetap ngikutin step awalnya atau gak usah?
ikutin step awalnya aja daripada ngelamun. Mau ngelamun.
Ya tahu sih. Ya udah.
Iya, nah, ikutin lagi aja. Ada lagi pertanyaan lain? Ikutan lagi aja ya. Misalnya, aduh Kak, nih contohnya kayak Ataya gitu. Kak, aku cuma 27 doang nih yang belum. Oh ya udah nggak apa-apa diikutin aja daripada ngelamun ya. Tapi kalau pengen ngelamun atau ngebikin yang lain di Robloxnya boleh ya. Bebas lah pokoknya. Tapi nanti tungguin ya. Oke, karena giliran di sini udah dari 25 soalnya. Ya, ada pertanyaan dulu?
Pak,
Ya,
kalau misalnya kalau yang dua yang cuman yang 26 yang belum, nanti kalau udah selesai yang 26 yang 27-nya tetap dilanjut atau enggak?
kamu mau lanjut boleh, mau keluar duluan boleh. Kalau kayak gitu ya.
Oke.
Oke, jadi misalnya, enggak sih kamu 25 Kathleen, bukan 26. Misalnya kamu udah beres nih 25-nya, ya udah. Yang 26 nggak perlu dikerjain. Nanti Kak Daud kasih tahu ya sekarang nomor berapa gitu. Ya biar kalian tahu.
Kak,
Ya.
saya kerja nomor berapa ini? 25 saja
Ah,
atau
sabar, sabar,
Kak,
sabar. Ada lagi
Nanti
pertanyaan yang lain?
nanti kalau yang 8 itu kita
Nggak ada yang 28.
perbaikin.
Kamu
berapa?
Nata nomor
Nomor
26. Nggak ada yang
26.
28.
aku
Nggak ada yang
28.
28, 26, 26, 26.
Aku
Maksimal
28 ya.
20, maksimal 27.
Kak,
Ya.
Tahu.
aku 26 Kak, bukan 25.
Kamu 25 kok di sini dicatatnya.
Tapi dia Algonovanya ini bukan di klausulnya ini apa? 26. Tapi emang
Ya,
2.
nanti lihat aja deh. Nanti Kak Daud lihat di akun kamu. Di sini sih 25 tulisannya. Ada lagi ya? Siapa nih yang baru join nih? 8 orang nih. Radika. Halo Radika. Waduh, di mobil Radika. Enggak apa-apa, nyalain lagi aja Radika. Ini Kak Daud mau foto lagi. Alvin, nyalain lagi Alvin. Siapa lagi yang ada pertanyaan? Si Alvin malah live. Ya udah. Ada pertanyaan lagi nggak? Udah ya, nggak ada ya. Nah, kalian buka nanti Algonovanya. Nih Kak Daud sebutin nomornya masing-masing ya. Jadi kalian coba kerjain nomor 25. Itu nanti dikerjain sama Andi. Ya, Andi, terus Fatia, terus Kathleen. Ya, 25. Terus 26 ada Alvin, Radika, Fatia. Ya, 27 nanti ada Radika, ada Fatia, sama ada Taya. Oke, ada pertanyaan dulu.
Aku 27 ya atau
Andi, Andi 25, diinget-inget Andi.
oh 25 ya.
Ada lagi yang lain? Alvin nomor 26 ya tadi ya. Udah ya, udah inget ya. Kalau udah inget silakan boleh langsung dibuka aja nomornya masing-masing. Cara ngerjainnya gimana? Cara ngerjainnya kalian cukup jadikan hijau. Contoh nomor 25. Nah, ini berarti
Oh,
ada yang warna merah. Kalian tinggal klik. Lalu kalian ke Algonova lagi, buka profil. Kemudian ke nomor 2.
simbol.
Nah, dibuka jadi hijau. Pokoknya buat semuanya jadi hijau. Ya. Oke, misalnya perlu diklik dulu, berarti diklik, baru buka profil, balik lagi. Dan seterusnya. Oke?
Kasih hijau semua. Hmm.
Ya, bikin hijau semua. Hijau atau kuning ya. Ada pertanyaan dulu? Nggak ada. Kalau nggak ada, yuk di share screen. Silakan dibuka sesuai nomornya masing-masing. Yuk. Roblox Studionya nanti dulu. Jangan ada yang buka Roblox Studio dulu. Algonova dulu ya.
It's not happening unless you make it happen. So a tiny fix to change my life is thinking about if I have 8 minutes. If I have 8 minutes in between, I have 8 minutes to connect with a friend. And so whenever I'm driving, this is my favorite hack. When I'm out running errands, I'm an 8 minute friend. I make phone calls to my friends, and free, of course. And I just catch up and I say, hey, I was on my way somewhere. I had just a few minutes and I thought I just want to hear your voice and say hi and how much I miss you and catch up in between these two appointments. And here's the wild part. This tiny fix rewires your brain. So let's talk about the science.
Yuk dibuka semuanya.
Researchers collaborating across 4 different countries that found that even a brief, sincere little social interaction like a quick phone call, stimulates the release of oxytocin. How cool is that? Now, oxytocin, often called the bonding hormone for the cub example, but it's so much more than that. If your 8 minute call stimulates the release of oxytocin, let me tell you what just happened. Lower stress, boost of resilience, improves your health. 1 8 minute phone call makes both you and the person that you call feel better. So, next question. Who can you call for 8 minutes today? You'll thank me later, I promise. And that brings me to the tiny fix number 7 for a tired employee. And that is an awe walk. This next one, brilliant. Here it is. Go outside. Walk around for 3 minutes and look for something that makes you go, wow. Researchers have found that going out on a walk and taking in something that brings a sense of awe, or putting your back up against a tree or the forehead, or lay down on the grass, stare up at the clouds, found that just a few minutes of experiencing awe has measurable impact and effects on your brain. Your stress drops, your mood lifts, you feel more present, less self-focused, more connected to the world. It is
Yuk,
scientific.
dibuat dulu semuanya hijau. Hijau atau kuning, silakan.
Just take in the details. I mean, it almost looks like something perfectly photoshopped, only it's nature. Or the tree that's way older. Just stop for a minute. Think, wow, this tree has stood the test of time. Imagine how deep its roots must go into that ground. Or birds flying in formation like they practice. Maybe there's art or architecture that just makes it
Sudah semua?
take it in.
Dan
A mural
Udah hijau belum? Udah hijau dan kuning belum?
that makes you go, wow.
sudah.
Sudah.
This is what you call awe.
Ini yang nomor berapa? Tadi aku nomor berapa?
Apa Nathan ngomong yang benar?
Retired
Tadi aku nomor berapa ya, Kak?
stress.
Itu semuanya,
Eh,
Kak. Bagian semuanya.
Nathan
Atau
nomor
enggak?
ini.
A Radio Hall of Famer, a
Nathan nomor 26.
serial
26,
entrepreneur
26 udah aku gituin.
Ya, nomor 26 aja udah cukup.
in the world. None of
Udah siapa lagi yang ada pertanyaan? Semuanya udah hijau dan kuning belum?
surprise you to know that yes, Charlemagne the God,
Udah, oke.
he's doing a
Fatia dari 25 loh, Fatia udah.
lay down in the
25 sampai 27 udah semua.
just hear him talk about the impact
25 sampai 27 Fatia, semuanya punya kamu.
lay down in the grass in his backyard to hug a tree,
Coba.
and how it makes him feel.
Just take your shoes off, walk on the ground, put your forehead up against the tree, lean your back against the tree, lay down on your belly. If you want to lay on your back, lay on your back on the ground, just take a few deep breaths, look up at the sun, look up at the sky, and I guarantee you, if you allow yourself no phone, no distractions, I guarantee you will feel some type of peace.
And research says it's even it's awesome. All that take them off that I could see here up in my garage. And
Udah? Udah belum? Jawab.
Oh, sudah, Kak.
Udah ya?
Udah.
Oke.
Udah.
Ya udah. Kalau udah, yuk kita mulai
Udah.
dari apa? Kita mulai Roblox Studionya ya. Silakan kalian mulai aja dibuka Roblox Studionya. Kita mulai dari base plate ya. Nah, kita mulai dari 25 dulu nih. Ya. Ya, kita mulai dari 25 sebentar. Nih, kita mulai dari base plate. Silakan dibuka dari base plate-nya dulu. Nah, kita mulai dari base plate ya. Oke, semua udah kebuka base plate-nya.
Udah.
Udah, oke. Langkah pertama yang perlu kita buat adalah satu. Ntar ya. Hmm, Nah, tambahkan folder ke server storage dan namakan dia sebagai cars. Ya, kita coba tambahin folder di server storage, lalu tambahin ganti namanya jadi cars. Coba ke server storage, tambahin folder, ganti jadi cars. Kemudian kalian buka toolbox, tambahin car dari toolbox. Ya,
So today, they just learned of the set. One small fix that reminds me but
sudah tambahin cars folder,
Udah.
udah ya. Kemudian coba tambahin mobil di toolbox ya, bebas.
Berapa?
Ya,
Bebas. 4 aja kali ya.
satu aja, jangan kebanyakan. Ganti nama mobilnya jadi car 1 di rename. Nah, kemudian pindahin car 1 ke dalam folder cars. Ya,
so I want you to check out this.
udah?
Kak, ntar kak belum.
Belum, maka.
Changes. I'm going to share with you today. They're having a surprisingly big difference in life. They're super easy to remember. It's almost like these are little life hacks that sit on top of it's amazing.
Udah?
Different aspects of life.
Mingganya susah sih.
Hmm?
Sebentar kak, sebentar mau aku pindahin kak, tapi malah malah ke itu.
Podcast. I am always so excited to be able
Ah,
Jadi
to
pindah.
start
Udah?
Udah.
time.
Sip.
Satunya dipindahin kak. Tarik
Conversation is
pindahin ke kar.
absolutely
Kok malah muncul biru-biru sih? Ntar.
family and say
Mereka dipindahin. Aku malah ke itu sih. Malah ke blok kak.
Ya nggak tahu kenapa keblok.
Aku kan pencet ku tahan, habis itu aku mau ku pindahin, tapi malah ke blok. Gak tahu kenapa.
Ya sama, kadang juga nggak tahu kenapa.
and what's also really awesome about these 9 simple changes is that each
Udah ya.
is a way that you can apply
Terus kalian ke starter GUI ya.
easy way to your life.
Kemudian tinggal tambahin screen GUI di starter GUI-nya. Oke? Starter GUI
GUI.
tambahin screen GUI. Ya,
GUI. Oke.
udah.
And health and happiness in relationships. They go so deep on a specific
Udah.
topic. And for those kind of episodes,
Udah ya. Kalau sudah, kalian tinggal tambahin 2 tombol ke dalam screen GUI-nya. Ya, jadi di screen GUI kalian klik tombol plus, lalu image button, 2 image button ya. Tambahin 2 image button.
and more importantly, how do I apply it to maximum benefit? And that's
Dua
why
image button.
we're going to address that. Because today is all about these 9 simple changes. These are simple sayings, kind of like a little prompt,
Udah.
super easy to remember.
Nah, yang lain,
We don't write that
sabar-sabar pelan-pelan. Nanti yang lain ketinggalan.
Udah.
basic research on how you can improve various aspects of your life. And I guarantee you, the second you hear me explain each one, you're gonna, oh my gosh, it makes so much sense. Why did I not think about it that way? And you're also gonna go, thank you, Mel, because the way that you just explained it and that simple little saying that you gave me, now I can remember it. And if I can remember it, I can apply it. And not only can you apply it, how simple these 9 changes are, you'll be able to do most of them while you're listening. And the ones that you can't do while you're listening, you'll be able to do them today. That's how easy and impactful this is going to be. So let's just start with the very first little change here tonight. I want you to start repeating that phrase that my grandma used to say, "Lean to yourself." Whether you think you can or can't, you're right. And let's unpack that because there is so much power packed into that one little sentence. Whether you think you can or you can't, you're right. And I'm going to give you an example. Let's say that you're in a situation where you would really love to get a better job. You just want to get paid more. You just want to work somewhere that they pay value, they're having fun, or they're making a difference. If you think you can't get a better job, are you going to apply? Are you going to do work on your resume if you think, well, I can't get a better job? No, you're not. Are you going to network with your parents' friends or reach out to college friends so that you can get a better job? Not if you think you can. Are you going to update your LinkedIn profile? No. Why? Because you think you can't. That
Udah.
I can't do that. Stop.
Kalau udah, kita tinggal ganti namanya ya. Yang satu image button ganti namanya jadi spawn car. Ya, S sama C-nya huruf gede. Yang satunya lagi ganti namanya jadi delete car. Ya, D sama C-nya gede.
Now, let's okay. If you think you can get a better job that way, now you're opening the door to optimism. So, you can get a better job by trying. You're going to want to try. You have a reason to try. You're going to feel more resilient. And that's an example of a simple saying that packs so
Udah ya, spawn car sama delete car ya.
psychology.
Sama jeletekannya.
Yourself
Ya,
because if you say to yourself, if I
S sama C-nya huruf gede.
say, I think I can, creates a mindset where you try. And when you try, that's what matters. Because it's all in the trying that you create the results. And so here's how you apply this first little change so that you create surprisingly big results in your life. Just start telling yourself, I can do that. I can try that. I think I can change my attitude. I can improve my relationship with my spouse. I can get in better shape. I can learn this AI coding thing if I wanted to. Because if you think you can, you can right. Because you're going to like try. You're going to open up the door to all kinds of opportunities. Because now, just through that small little tiny shift in your mindset, I think I can keep together. So remember, the first tiny little change that creates a surprisingly big difference. We're talking domino effect. Whether you think you can or you think you can't. You're right. So my gosh, you better tell yourself you can. Now let's go right
Sudah?
to the second.
Udah ya. Kalau udah, ke bagian berikutnya. eh ini harusnya dipublish dulu nih. Kalian klik tombol file lalu publish to Roblox ya, biar bisa masukin gambar. File, publish to Roblox. Namanya mau tetap untitled juga nggak apa-apa. Mau diganti boleh. Lalu tinggal create. Ya publish dulu biar kita bisa masukin gambar. Silakan dipublish dulu. Nanti dia nge-close, tapi nanti langsung buka lagi sih.
Obviously, and I bet you, why did I not think about this? I mean, this is so kind of like one of those things, like, duh. So I'm the kind of person that if I think, okay, I want to get 8 hours sleep tonight, I literally fly in bed at 10 o'clock at night, and I set my alarm for 6 that's 8 hours. Do I get 8 hours of sleep? No, it's because it takes time to fall asleep. Back. One of the world's
Sudah,
Udah,
habis itu
habis itu, nah,
Men's Hospital right here in Boston, Massachusetts. It's one of Harvard's many hospitals.
kita masuk ke bagian berikutnya. Di bagian berikutnya kalian akan coba membuat, eh nih, cari di toolbox itu adalah decals ya, cari decals. Kemudian kalian cari spawn card. Nah, nanti kalian tinggal klik aja gambarnya. Sorry, klik yang tombol plusnya ya, kacamata plus. Ya, lalu kalian tinggal klik titik 3, copy asset ID. Coba, diklik kacamatanya, lalu klik titik 3-nya copy asset ID.
Because like you and like me, she's climbing into bed at the exact time she needs to fall asleep, and then she sets her alarm for 8 hours later. And we're not doing that.
Bisa, udah di copy asset ID-nya.
Change. That's gonna have a surprise. Instead of you and I focusing
dari bongkar dulu ya.
Nemu nggak?
Sebentar. Saya tulis bongkar. Nah, itu copy asset ID
Ya, copy asset ID, diklik ya.
ya.
Lalu kalian ke button yang tadi di spawn car-nya kalian klik. Nanti scroll ke bawah di properties, cari ada image ya. Itu dihapus. Lalu kalian tinggal klik kanan paste. Lalu enter. Nanti muncul
Diklik,
spawn car.
diklik habis itu ada image.
Spawn car-nya diklik, lalu ke properties, URL-nya dihapus, paste, enter. Udah.
I've got another little change that will make a huge difference in the quality of sleep and durability of your body. I call this the 5-10-24. I'm going to break it down in a minute, but this
Itu
will
ada.
make this
Udah.
that's out there right now
Ya,
about
sebentar.
white
Bisa nggak muncul nggak gambarnya?
if you get up,
Aku lagi cari image-nya ini.
your
Image, mana image?
rhythm, and that helps you sleep at night. Now, all this research is super
Nah, ini dia.
exciting, but the second that you hear, okay, the moment you get up in the morning, one of the best things that you can do in order to get a better night's sleep at night is to get yourself outside and get those UVs in your rentals. If you're like me and you hear this research, you want to do it, but then you immediately have questions.
Kalau tadi masukin gambarnya gimana?
Training, what if it's cloudy?
Apa?
What if I can't get
Masukin
outside?
gambarnya gimana?
How much light?
Apa?
Masukin gambarnya gimana?
Kamu udah copy asset ID belum?
Copy asset ID. Tadi udah kok.
First thing,
Kok ragu sih ngomongnya?
that's why you're gonna think.
Udah di copy belum asset ID-nya?
I think about getting cash.
Oh, udah.
Ya udah, diklik copy asset ID, kemudian cari ke spawn car, di scroll ke properties, cari ada image, hapus URL-nya, URL-nya hapus, lalu paste, enter, dan nanti muncul.
So 5-10-20. What was in that envelope? I would drop it off in the night deposit. That was what was going in. If it's sunny outside, you need to be outside. You got bad side. If it's cloudy, Not much time. That's right. So 10 minutes outside.
Udah, coba yang udah lakukan hal yang sama untuk delete card. Harusnya muncul juga gambarnya.
Sudah. Hmm.
35.
Coba muncul yang delete card.
Kak,
That's how you remember this research that you got to bank. Anyway, in the morning.
Kak,
Ya,
kalau tadi masukin gambarnya kalau udah pencet copy asset ID habis itu
Hmm.
Now, Henry David Thoreau said,
ada yang mau jawab Kathleen nggak?
it's a blessing
iya.
for Mel Robbins
Ada yang mau bantuin Kathleen? Itu tadi udah kado sebut 2 kali, Kathleen.
that 90% I'm gonna explain. Let's just say you got a report due, working on
Ada yang udah berhasil nampilin gambarnya belum?
Saya sudah tinggal yang ini ya, delete card-nya aja.
Coba kasih tahu tuh gimana caranya buat nampilin gambarnya tuh. Tadi Kathleen nggak ngedengerin kayaknya. Habis copy asset ID
Pertama-tama
diapain tuh? Kathleen
harus
masih bingung.
copy asset ID antar bisa pilih spawn card dulu atau delete card terserah. Habis itu cari image. Habis itu kalau udah di copy asset ID-nya terus kan cari image-nya tuh. Nah, klik image-nya. Habis itu URL-nya diganti. Diklik kanan, habis itu dipaste.
says, you got to think of
Image-nya yang mana?
that's
Aduh.
Image-nya cari tulisan image di spawn card atau delete card terserah. Kau mau pilih spawn card atau delete card sama aja. Tergantung kamu pilihnya yang mana. Kamu kan pencet yang gambar kayak image gitu, tulisan image. Habis itu cari kata image lagi, jangan kayak image color. Tapi contoh, jangan pencet kayak yang lain, contoh kayak image color. Tapi cari yang katanya image doang. Habis itu
the way that objects
kamu pencet tulisan image-nya. Habis itu URL-nya kamu ganti. Jadi yang kamu paste, jadi yang kamu pilih itunya asset ID-nya.
calm down, start to move forward and actually thoughts instead of acting out of reactions. which you know is
Oh, iya.
Makasih Nathan, pinter Nathan.
Ya,
Yuk, ada lagi.
and tells you that the test that they ran on your dad came back and it's bad. They think your dad has cancer. Your heart sinks. Your spirits,
Oke.
your brain.
Udah bisa. Yuk,
Udah.
lakuin yang delete card-nya ya, coba. Yang
Hmm.
delete card-nya sama kayak spawn card.
Powerless, and that's maybe but parents need you to process with and get to a point where you can think clearly so you can help them, so they can be supported through this whole thing. So the solution to this really big problem, go for a little walk. Diagnosis. What it does is it changes go for a little walk. It's a big difference because you're able to process this information and it gives you space from your emotions so you're not overwhelmed by them. And that's going to let you walk back in with new ideas and a much more strategic. Here's another example. Let's just say you've been there and now, like me, you're craving a bowl of ice cream with hot fudge sauce and some salted peanuts on top and tell that I always crave that for something, right? Well, that's especially get the sugar and lay off the desserts every night. So the solution to that problem of when that craving hits, go for a walk. Why? The studies have found that a 15-minute walk cravings for chocolate. It reduces the amount of chocolate you eat in stressful situations. Other research shows that going for a walk after dinner not only helps you reduce stress and helps you digest, but it also helps you process insulin. How freaking cool is that? Walk could do so much. Here's another one. Just had an argument with the fact that your roommate's significant other is take
Udah?
Belum.
Belum. Coba mana share screen?
Aku bingung kalau LL yang mana.
Ya, share screen sini-sini. Kak Daud yang kerjain aja share screen, share screen. Sini-sini.
because you then start to question the fact that you drew a boundary. And then you're going to want to feel if you stay in that space, like, so then go knock on the door and holler, it's okay,
Udah.
don't stress out. Solution to this problem is because as you're learning,
Kan ada image. Udah dikasih tahu 4 kali itu berarti.
by one is a phrase, you're going to gain clarity.
Sini spawn Kara sama Kak Daud aja. Biar kamu nggak bingung lagi.
I'm the kind of person that does express the boundaries of the requests that you have. And that's going to help you walk.
Kamu nggak usah buat ini. Ini nggak disuruh sama Kak Daud ya.
It's not your responsibility to manage your roommate's emotions. And it's not your responsibility to manage your roommate's disappointment. It's your responsibility to ask for what you want. And that's all. And the truth is about a walk is that it's not going to
Nah.
that you're going to face your dating in life. It doesn't
Udah, oke. Semuanya udah?
Pasti Kak.
Udah.
solution.
Udah ya. Kalau udah kita lanjutin.
It also has this magical, powerful effect of opening up to different solutions.
Kemudian kalau kalian udah punya spawn sama delete car, berarti kita akan masuk ke bagian berikutnya lagi.
So Henry said,
Let's add script to make the button color. Okay. Add a script to spawn car and rename it to color script. Oh, tambahin local script ya di spawn car, tambahin local script. Kemudian ganti jadi color script. Ganti namanya jadi color script ya, di rename. Oh, jadi color script silakan.
Di sponsor tambahin lokal script.
Di spawn car tambahin local script, ganti namanya jadi color script.
Kayaknya gede atau enggak?
C-nya gede sama S-nya juga.
Oke.
ask questions.
Oke.
But stop talking. There are two ways of talking. First is
Lalu kalian juga tambahin di delete car, tambahin local script, ganti namanya jadi delete car ya. Ganti namanya jadi color script juga.
that's when you learn to grow. I remember a couple years ago, I was talking
Jadi color
Script.
script.
Scriptnya mana? Scriptnya sama ya. Keduanya itu sama scriptnya. Oke nih, scriptnya ada di chat Zoom, Kak Daud kirim, dua-duanya sama ya. Boleh langsung kalian copy dan di paste aja.
I'm not getting any better at this crap. I'm not feeling like I'm
Tuh ya, jadi nanti kalau diklik, dia akan berubah tuh.
I felt that way too. And then I decided to stop.
Silakan.
Oh, hilang sih.
Decided that I
Oh.
would stop talking so much. I would prioritize instead of standing on that stage talking. I would make sure that it was
Namanya juga sama.
Namanya juga sama.
Ini manusia. Ini kelihatan.
And I wasn't, and so
Rename. Nah, rename jadi color script juga.
I signed up to go to events where I could sit in the audience. Another one is I dedicated time every week to just input, playing, watching someone else on stage who's masterful and learning from it,
Udah.
taking an online course
Oh,
on a topic
bisa.
I'm interested in. All that helped me grow.
Udah coba tes, coba di play dulu.
Oh,
Wah,
And the second way is getting
sabar Kak, nggak sengaja keluar.
you don't always have
Oke, nggak apa.
it's amazing how often
udah ada Kak. Tapi
Udah.
karenya belum muncul waktu dipencet Kakak.
Apa?
these conversations where
Karenya nggak muncul waktu dipencet.
Iya, emang masih belum bisa. Emang masih belum.
not everyone deserves an explanation. Sometimes
Udah semua?
Sabar.
Di chat Zoom kan?
Apa?
Skripnya ada di chat Zoom kan?
Skripnya dari chat Zoom.
Sama semua kan, Pak?
Kenapa?
Skripnya dua-duanya sama.
Skripnya dua-duanya sama.
stop talking.
Oke.
I'm not talking silent treatment stuff. I just stop talking. Signals that you're in control. So stop talking and again, awareness, confidence, and a whole different world is going to open up to you. Sometimes silence is way more powerful than chiming in, and your peace is worth protecting. So stop talking. All right, that brings me to number 6. Love this one. Love this one. And if you struggle with ADHD or clutter, you're going to love this too. Number 6. Put things back where they were. This change. Just make it find something.
Udah bisa?
Bentar.
Less than a minute to do the right thing. And then one item at a time, not allowing clutter to build up. I do this every single almost every room that I work in. If I see something that is out of place, I can
Udah ya, kita lanjut ya.
adopt this change. See something
To create a menu, we need to add a frame object. Jadi di screen GUI tambahin frame ya. Screen GUI tambahin frame.
so out.
Kemudian tambahin satu image button ya. Ini kalian gedein aja, tambahin satu image button di frame-nya. Frame-nya tambahin image button.
And then it would become not a little pile, but a gigantic volcano of things that started piling up.
Di frame-nya tambahin image button ya.
I kind of use this rule, just touch
Nah, lalu taruh di tengah-tengahnya. Oke. Ganti namanya jadi car 1.
check. I put the
Nah, silakan. Ganti nama image buttonnya jadi car 1.
done.
Buttonnya jadi color 1.
Comparison comes at a little owl statue and
Kayaknya gede Kak.
Ya,
these are objects that belong in my bedroom. Now I could have just as easily walked right past them,
Dah.
right on up above the garage, get back to work. But I had the
udah. Kemudian
so I scooped
cari lagi gambarnya ya. Lakukan hal yang sama kayak tadi. Berarti di toolbox, kalian cari di decals ya. Cari gambar mobilnya. Car, kemudian copy asset ID. Nih, kalian klik tombol plus, tinggal klik titik 3, copy asset ID, dan kita paste ke URL-nya di image ya. Cari image, paste di URL, enter, muncul. Duar, ya.
Car. Oh, iya.
Ya, sama kayak yang spawn car tadi.
t-shirt. I came back in, the t-shirt was on top of the bed. I don't know if Chris put there, I don't know why it
Udah
was
mah
there.
ya.
The only would have taken that t-shirt.
Mana?
Does it belong there? No. It belongs in the
Kar,
closet.
kar, mana? Cocok.
Picked it up, folded it, rolled it, tucked it in the drawer. 10 seconds later, oh, I love that. Don't put things back where you got it, because that would have been tucking that thing under the pillow.
Kopi asik lagi. Pak tombol satu. Image folder.
Habis itu di itunya ituin image kayak tadi.
Ya,
Break dulu. Jadi deh. Jadi.
udah.
Udah jadi.
Sudah Kak, gambar mobilnya sudah.
Udah ya gambar mobilnya ya.
Boleh juga.
Bentar Kak, ini mau ini dikit lagi.
Nah,
Aku buat gambarnya semirip mungkin Kak. Soalnya
boleh.
kan aku kan itu apa mobilku kan buat kayak random aja gitu. Yang penting ada mobilnya. Mobilnya aku buat Cybertruck aja kan. Ya makanya aku cari gambar Cybertruck.
Mantap.
Boleh juga. Boleh juga.
I don't I'm wearing them right now, but I can just imagine seeing the three
Udah ya.
Bentar Kak. Ini image mana?
afford to buy it twice, then you can't afford to buy it twice. Kind of another
Image-nya di mana ini Kak?
Aduh, ini Kak kerjain lagi Kathleen. Tadi udah Kak tunjukin padahal.
don't because I don't know if you've noticed this, but why is every social media platform now
Tombol birunya.
there is so much stuff in your face to buy that this wait a week thing, holy cow, does it save me so many shop now, tap click, let's go purchases. So if you see something that you and it's more about
Aduh, ini salah. Gak usah kamu tambahin. Ini dilakuin lagi yang udah dikasih tahu tadi.
you're not shaming yourself. What you're doing is being smart. But you say, wait a minute, you're rising above your emotions, and you're not allowing your excitement and the thrill of the buying, the distraction, and the gratification to lead to doing something that you can't.
Kamu ubah namanya aja belum nih.
I'll tell you what, in a week, little change, surprisingly huge difference. And
Udah, ada lagi yang belum?
my Amazon shopping cart right now, because it is full of things that I've got to
Udah bisa ya. Nah, terus make the frame invisible by using the visible property. Di frame-nya diklik ya. Kemudian visible-nya dimatiin. Cari visible. Matiin visible-nya. Di properties ada visible dimatiin.
rhythm and the way that this stuff is in your face all day.
Udah, lalu screen gue tambahin klik tombol plus script.
That brings me to little change.
Boleh dimatiin.
Di screen gue tambahin script.
Ini tambahin script.
They are also
Scriptnya script lokal script atau script biasa Kak?
Script. Kalau Kadot bilang lokal script. Kalau script.
the color.
GIF.
Udah, hapus. Ganti. Nih, scriptnya dari Chatsum.
GIF.
Seeing the color of someone's eyes has made a huge difference in my life because holding eye contact is something that I used to struggle with. It's actually a super concept
yang
to kind of look around or look up when you're thinking. And for a long
Add the remote event object and rename it spawn car. Oke.
trying
Kalian ke replicated storage, cari replicated storage ya. Diklik tombol plus remote event, ganti namanya jadi spawn car. Tuh,
Oh, tanda petir ya?
ya, diganti namanya jadi spawn car.
Oh, remote.
Of their eyes, it not only helps you to make eye contact, but it gives you something that you can truly appreciate a compliment about somebody else. Because if you truly take the time to notice someone else's eyes,
Sound car.
so mesmerizing.
Sound right. Alright.
You got amazingly it's just something you can compliment people. And the more you do it, the more comfortable you are holding eye contact with someone, which is a display of confidence. It makes you be more present. Research shows that holding eye contact while you talk and kind of nodding a little bit displays that you're listening and you care about what the
Udah.
person's saying. So this isn't just something that's
Nah, tambahin remote event lagi, kemudian ganti namanya jadi delete car.
that impacts the way the other person thinks about you, quality of connection, the reputation that you
Nih, namanya delete car.
Jika seluruhnya
to the final
Gila.
and it's final.
oh,
The research on just
Okay.
forcing yourself to smile on your face.
Gila car.
replica storage-nya ditambahin remove event, Kak.
Hah?
Replicate storage-nya ditambahin remote events.
Iya.
Stays,
Oh,
I think say,
Asia gede gak, Kak?
Lanjut.
Asia gede gak, Kak?
smile. And let me tell you, it's sort of like
Lanjut.
person
Lanjut ya. Add a script to server script service and rename it car spawner. Ke server script service, klik tombol plus script, ganti namanya jadi car spawner ya. Tuh namanya car spawner.
Gimana Kak tadi?
Server script service, tambahin script, ganti car spawner.
Oke.
Server script service.
Scriptnya kan yang diganti namanya.
Harus
Iya.
tambah
I'm doing it right now. And everybody watching on YouTube.
service, tambahin script. Lalu scriptnya dinamain
That's my
tambah script, lalu scriptnya dinamain
resting like frowning or serious or
Okay.
mad. And I want to tell you,
namain custom.
making yourself smile. Because I was surprised to find out
Okay.
that happiness researchers have been at battle over whether or not a smile actually scientifically can make you happy. And so this researcher over at Stanford, Nicholas Coles, he was one of these researchers that was like, I don't know. Dad was kind of on the fence because there was all this conflicting stuff going on.
Sudah.
Udah.
So it was like that.
Udah.
Kalau sudah, ini skripnya nih. Di chat Zoom ya.
Conducts this
Waduh, kepanjangan lagi skripnya.
that got together.
Nih, pakai yang di chat Zoom ya. Tapi judulnya jangan di copy.
Yes, of course they make
Skripnya aja yang di copy.
study collect data.
Oke, Kak.
Awas, itu ada judulnya tuh. Ada script for configuring spawn car. Nggak usah di copy itu.
Ini ya.
Semuanya kecuali judul.
Iya, semuanya kecuali judul. Yang gede itu nggak usah di copy.
Lokal server storage.
Kak. Pak tadi apa? Discord.
Smile they saw in the photo, or from simply pulling their mouth towards their ears.
Pak tadi ngapain?
Tadi ngapain? Nggak ngapa-ngapain.
Kak, yang
Ya,
dibawa script for Conjuring Spawncar-nya di itu ya, di copy semua atau yang
iya,
lokal kayak ini lokal server storage sama dengan game get started itu juga ya.
iya,
Oh,
iya,
aduh, ya udahlah.
Pak,
iya.
tadi ngapain?
Udah
Discordnya.
ngapa-ngapain?
Nggak, cuma ini gitu.
Udah ngapa-ngapain?
Ini dia doang. Jadi deh, lanjut,
Udah.
lanjut,
Yang mana?
lanjut.
Discordnya. Kalau ada di chat.
Di delete car, add local script to delete car. Kalian tambahin local script di delete car ya. Ke delete car, lalu tambahin local script ya.
Itu.
Delete car, tambahin local script.
Kalian kalau tambahin
Baru
kali
apa lagi?
sudah.
Scriptnya nih di chat Zoom.
Namanya udah usah diganti ya?
Nggak usah diganti.
Oh ya.
Itu semuanya.
Wow.
You're gonna make 5, 10, or 20. How much time for something?
Replikasi teleportasi.
That's right, 10. What if it's raining? You're sitting next to a window. That's right. Good for you. See how this works? You make 5, 10, 20.
Ini banyak banget ini stepnya. Keburu nggak ya?
Remembering.
Oke.
Sudah kakak.
Ah,
Udah.
Belum, Kak.
Sekarang ke car 1. Car 1 diklik tombol plus local script.
Belum,
Ganti namanya jadi script car.
belum, Kak.
Satu
Tuh,
tambahin
ya.
local script.
Ya, di car 1 tambahin local script, ganti namanya jadi script car. S sama C-nya huruf gede.
lokal scriptnya diganti namanya jadi
Oke.
Di kal 1 ditambahin lokal script. Ganti jadi script kal.
Ya,
Lanjut. Lanjut.
I know it feels good violence, something you don't need. You're way more powerful than your emotions, and you work super hard for your money, so I want you to
Lanjut.
stupid things. And if you can't,
udah.
Udah.
number 8.
Oke, kalau udah kita lanjut.
Belum.
Hmm. Nih, scriptnya yang ada di script car ya.
ya ada di chat Zoom.
Ntar, sabar.
I promise you. And one more thing, in case no one else tells you, I want to be sure to tell you that I love you. I believe it. I believe it. You're a great American.
Ada.
Have 9
Cap.
change
Nih,
Belum ada.
today.
tuh ya, scriptnya dari chat Zoom.
Oke. Wah, ngajet.
And for you on YouTube, thank you for being here. And
Udah beres harusnya ya. Ah, mantap. Panjang banget langkahnya, ya ampun.
Udah.
watching this channel, our subscribers, and support
Udah.
this channel.
Ah, tuh ya, udah muncul mobilnya.
Mari kita coba.
Kopi
Ini Carlo.
tambahin di lokal script.
Bang Bangkar. Bang Bangkar. Mari kita coba.
Lalu kita
Mobil bambu.
akan kendarakan Teslanya. Cyber Tesla. Cyber Tesla.
Ya. Oh, ini dia. Set.
Mana?
Mana,
Tak adanya. Tak
Kosong.
adanya.
Kosong. Ada di mana?
Kak, gak ada kak. Teslanya gak ada kak. Gak tahu hilang kemana kak.
Gak muncul. Ada di
Kak,
mana?
gak muncul kak.
Gak muncul, udah ditekan-tekan.
Aduh.
Sama
Nih nih,
kakak.
Aku nggak
pakai
tahu
punya
kak.
Kadot aja berarti nih.
Hah?
Nih
Aku nggak
dibuka
ada.
aja nih. Nggak tahu kenapa punya Kadot muncul. Berarti ada yang kelewat punya kalian nih.
Apa
Ntar
tuh?
Kadot coba ini dulu.
Nggak di itu kan nggak bisa.
Ya berarti ada yang kelewat itu.
Flap, flap,
eh
flap. Api, api, api.
Spawner. Nih ya, kalian boleh download aja link yang dari chatroom ya.
Api.
Kadot kirimin dulu Google Drive-nya.
Infection.
Nih ya, boleh di-download link yang ada di chatroom sebentar. Lalu dibuka aja dari situ ya.
Mana kak?
Infect.
Mana kak?
Nih, tuh linknya diklik lalu download dan dibuka aja ya.
Kalau aku bisa soalnya pas itu udah saving.
Oke, sip-sip. Mantap, Alvin.
Oke.
Udah, yang lain dah di-download dulu lalu dibuka ya. Yuk kita lanjutin dari situ ya.
Bentar kak. Aku nggak bisa kak.
Apanya yang nggak bisa?
Bentar, bentar, bentar.
Jauh.
Udah, di-download lalu dibuka aja.
Udah keluar. Dari dalam kak.
Bang 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 bang, bing bang bang bing bang bang bang.
Udah?
Sabar,
Sip. Udah ya.
kebuka nih.
Nih, ini kalau misalnya yang mobil, kayaknya nggak keburu nih yang mobil ya. Kak Daud kirimin aja ya projectnya nih. Yang balapan kayaknya keburu bentar. Ini yang ATV nih, yang 27 siapa tuh yang 27? Ada Radika, ada Fatia sama Ataya ya. Ini yang nomor 27, boleh di-download aja.
Jadi jangan.
Soalnya panjang banget ini langkahnya kalau nomor 27. Ini linknya ya. Diklik link yang ada di chat Zoom lalu download. Mana Kak? Ini. Itu baru dikirimin Ataya. Diklik lalu download ya. Untuk Radika juga silakan. Ntar Kak Daud kamar mandi dulu ya.
Ah, akhirnya muncul. Akhirnya muncul juga nih mobil. Tapi warnanya
Nanti muncul apanya kak? Di download tuh tadi. Kak,
kita coba.
nanti muncul apanya?
Kecepatannya mulai naik.
Look what you've done. No. Look what you've done. There is
Ya, cuma bisa 53.
creating a path
Tapi gak ini. Yang keluar malah mobil merah. Bukan mobil putih kalau punya aku.
want, even if those things change.
Rem dulu.
Ah,
Thought about
kayaknya laptop.
what is probable
Punya aku berhasil, tapi yang keluar bukan yang keluar gak sesuai.
possibilities for your life allow you to
Oke, di mana tempat kita? Oh, di situ.
what those possibilities
Oh,
Ngedrip dulu gak sih?
kakak, kakak, suaranya aneh ke laptopku depan laptop aku.
about what's a lot of
Ngedrip.
decisions
Iya,
they think is going
iya.
to be the most likely successful outcome. And they make those decisions
Terus keluar dulu, keluar dulu.
grant fail or be
Ih,
rejected
main GTA.
or shame for trying to do something that they might not
GTA. Iya,
and
iya.
Udah ya. Oke, kalau sudah kita lanjut ya ke bagian berikutnya, yaitu garis start sama garis finish ya. Nah,
Kakak, apa nih?
creativity with clarity, spirituality with honesty. And you're going to teach us through this process that you have been teaching people for almost 2 decades how
Aku nyoba-nyoba yang lesson 26
that doesn't
Aduh.
pakai handbook tapi timernya nggak muncul.
nah berarti ada yang
jalan.
kelewat.
say that this process.
Kak, kalau aku
Ya.
bagaimana?
I would start by having
Kak, kalau aku bagaimana?
you came up with this.
Yang di 25 doang, udah boleh mulai duluan, boleh silakan. Siapa
Wow,
nih?
wow.
Andi Arya,
Itu
terus
Apa?
Kathleen 25 doang, udah boleh live ya. Nah, sekarang kita ke
Wow.
nomor 26. Nomor 26 berarti kita tinggal bikin garis start sama garis
yang
finish. Apa? Suara kamu putus-putus.
keberapa kak sekarang ini?
Sekarang ke 26.
Ini ini keberapa kak sekarang?
26, Nathan.
Oh, udah 26 sekarang.
Itu jadi server sebelah.
Tadi
Konter
aku turun juga tadi.
bisa. Oh, pantas. Kukira yang 20 yang punya aku sudah benar, ternyata yang lain punya ini kakak yang dipakai. Ya lah, jalan-jalan.
So he wanted us to write it.
Ini ya, dibikin dulu dua balok yang tinggi supaya mobilnya bisa lewat.
Ya, ya.
Kalau aku bikinnya di restrict template nggak apa-apa kan?
Nggak apa-apa.
Oke.
Kenapa ini? Oh,
Ganti namanya jadi start dan finish ya.
He also said
Rename, start, yang satunya lagi finish.
this was an exercise that changed people's lives.
Di anchor dua-duanya ya.
Doing it for so long that virtually not a week went by when a former student worked
Kalau yang start tinggal diganti warnanya hijau. Cuman ini kayaknya nggak bakal sampai selesai juga deh. Nggak keburu, tadi udah habis di awal.
about 20 things. Journal that I was
Ini Kak Daud kirimin aja nih yang 26 ya. Kalian udah bisa pakai toolbox aja silakan. Nggak keburu kayaknya guys.
trying to remember where I had.
Coba yang ada pertanyaan boleh tanyain ya. Ini yang 26 nih. Kak Daud kirimin.
I went back to my journals
26.
Tuh, boleh di-download yang 26. Ya, yang ada pertanyaan boleh tanyain.
Yang English ATV Live and Evolution.
Apa, Nathan?
Yang English ATV Live and Evolution, Kak.
Bukan yang paling bawah yang baru kado kirimin.
Bukan, aku udah download nih. Aku
Ya,
cuman lihat ada kayak 4 nih. Ada 2 English ATV Live apa gitu, gak tahu bacanya. Pokoknya English ATV. Terus spawner 1 sama spawner lagi. Ada file spawner lagi. Ntar.
ya, pintar, pintar, benar-benar. Udah,
Ya bener Kak.
Kak,
ya,
aku keluar dulu.
silakan.
Hmm, dadah. Karena besok ulang.
Yuk, yang udah 4 menit ini boleh pakai toolbox ya.
Toolbox. Buat apa Kak?
Iya, bebas.
Oh, tadi Roblox Studio aku keluar, gak tahu kenapa. Error kali karena komputerku, maksudnya komputer papaku udah panas nih. Mesinnya juga udah kayak kipas angin di bawah di kamarku.
Oke, ada pertanyaan dulu yang lain? Kalau nggak ada, sip, ya udah kita cukupkan aja ya. Jadi kalian sudah belajar apa hari ini? Kalian udah belajar dari lesson 25 sampai 27 ya. Nanti boleh dibuka masing-masing di link yang udah Kak Dot kirim ya. Itu semua udah ada di chat Zoom dan bisa langsung kalian download. Sebelum ditutup kelasnya ada pertanyaan dulu?
Udah ada.
Nggak ada ya. Kalau nggak ada kelasnya kita cukupkan. Kita foto dalam hitungan 3, semuanya gaya bebas. 3, 2, bentar. Satu. Oke, sip. Bye-bye semuanya. Jangan lupa join ke kelas regulernya ya. Untuk kelas hari ini jadwalnya sekali aja. Bye-bye. Selamat malam. Dadah Ataya, Fatia, Nathan, Alvin, sama Radika. Bye.